Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. I am sharing what I plan on doing for my next scrapbook mini-series here on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to go back to double page layouts because I found this really cool inspiration from Pinterest, and I'm just showing you my Pinterest board, which is called Double Page Inspiration. I will make sure to link that in the description box below. But while I was going through Pinterest, I found this digital template from Sweet Shop, and I will make sure to link their link in the description box below as well. Basically what it is, it's a digital template where you just plug in your photos and then you can change the background or whatever. And this is a paid site or a paid template, but I just like how their templates are, and I feel like I can use that as a sketch or an inspiration for my layouts. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. Not necessarily this specific one, but I just found that they have really cool configurations with their photos, and so that's what I am planning on using as my inspiration, my jumping board for the next 5 layouts that I'm creating. And as you can see, I've already kind of planned out all of the materials that I'm going to be using for my layouts. I also have my photos already, and so I hope that you guys will join me in this new mini series. Again, this is a double page layout inspired by some sketches from a digital template. If you like these videos, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing, and make sure that you hit the bell button, because if you like double page layouts or if you're interested in this particular series, then the YouTube will notify you when I post my next layout. Until then, I will catch you guys another day. Bye.